One other thing I want you to notice is that when you're messing with textures, you can see right there I've got a problem. The side where the door is going to go, it's clearly the glass block, but it's way too many pieces. I'd actually like it to be the black part there, so that when the doorway looks black, not transparent, not like it's made of glass. So what do? First I go to Edit Linked Parts and then select Texture, and then I turn and click on that door jamb, and then I hold my Shift key and click on the other one. So I'm doing the same thing to both of them. Then I go to my Texture tab and it says 5, and I'm going to take it down, 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 and I know I'm probably going to make it 0.2. Okay, not quite. Here's 0.3. Alright, I'm still getting glass, and I know that there's this black portion there somewhere. So I go down to Offset, and I start clicking on my offset until I get to, okay, there is kind of a black space. Now if I take it down to 2.1, okay, and there it is. So now the repeats vertically are 0.1, and now it looks like a solid door, but I didn't change the texture. I just changed the repeats and made it actually repeat less than once. Oh, the other thing I see that I did, look at this. My house is upside down. All right, that's really good. So I'm going under Object, and I can hold my Control key and flip it. That's one way to do it. But then I still have to go into Rotation, and I know that the angle would be 180 because that's completely opposite or upside down. I go back regularly and check and make sure that the name is still the same. And then when I'm finished, I take my build and make sure that I have it for next time. A lot of you are leaving a lot of objects floating here in the sandbox, and then they come back to you, but they come into your lost and found folder. There's no reason for that to happen. If you take them, they'll go into whatever folder you put them in. In fact, if I were you, I would create a new folder called etc SP10 8.3 personal space, and I would put your object in there, all of your objects. So etc SP10 8.3, there's my folder, File, New Window. This takes a minute for it to pop up. And you drag your new window over next to this, and there is my personal space here. Left click and drag it up into your personal space, and then if you wanted to put, let's say you have a TV, there's a flat screen TV. I'm going to put that in my personal space folder because I'm going to put it in my house. And there's a TV table. I'm going to put that in my personal space. And here's my leather couch. I'm going to, whoops, my leather couch. I'm going to put that in my personal space. And what else? There's a picture viewer, picture frame, silver. I'm going to put that in my personal space, and just add everything there into your personal space folder so that when it comes time to do your pieces, you know where they are. You don't have to go looking for them.